Welcome back my YouTube channel English with Akash. Today I am going to share that story. That story is a very beautiful. You can also that seen that story. You can also watch that story. That story is a movie available on YouTube. Okay. You can if you want improve your communication. That movie is a very beautiful. Okay. That movie start from beginning to advanced level. Okay. That movie is not a very hard and to listen that movie. Okay, you can watch, you can listen. It is a very beautiful movie. Everyone can listen, everyone can improve their communication also. I am also improving my communication. Okay, let's go start that story. Okay, I'm going to start that story. That is a story is yesterday I watched that movie. That movie is Chinese related. Okay, there was a girl who was selling. There was a girl who was selling the water in stadium. Okay, suddenly a person come near that girl and he asked to water. Okay, but she give that water. Okay, when it is time to come pay money, he denied to I don't pay money because I am the player of here. I am football player. Okay, but she is working as a she is working through the company. She said that boy, sir, this is not free, you should pay for it. He denied, I will not pay for it, I am the football player. Okay, you should give me free. But that girl declined totally. Okay, that after that he argued. Okay, long time. After that girl took money from that boy. Okay, after that that boy went in a restaurant along with friend. Okay, they were talking each other. They were talking. They put one provision. Okay, that means the friend circle. Okay, that provision is that if you propose that girl, okay, who was selling the water, okay, that movie, if you propose that girl, okay, for eating, for fooding, either for meal, okay, I will call you daddy. If you can't do it, you should call me daddy. You will call me daddy. Okay, that boy accept this challenge. Okay, after that that boy went near that girl. Okay, that boy went near that girl and he asked for one water. Okay, after that he pay money. Okay, after that he started to talking to multiple time. Okay, but she agreed talking to with her. Talking to with she agreed talking to with him. Okay, after that discussion is a long time have been completed. He asked for the money. He asked for the restaurant and go for dinner for apologize. He said that girl that I would like to apologize because I had made mistake by me. So that's why. Can you come for me? So she denied me because she was working there. Because the company is not allowed to go with someone as a football player. Okay, that's why she denied. After a long time, that boy took number that girl. Okay, they were started talking to each other via mobile, online, chatting in night and day. Whenever they have time, they talking each other. Okay, so it is a normal. It is a normal starting initially. Okay, the student of that college. Okay, the college stadium war as a club, everything available in one college. Okay, so that's why that girl selling the water in that stadium. Okay, they become a good friend. They become a good friend. After that the match fixed. The match fixed. That mean two company. Okay, first company is the that boy who was playing the football. Second is the that girl companies belong. Okay, that girl belong that company as a water company. I don't know company remember name, but that is a movie. Okay, you can also watch. I will give you a name. That movie name is a Chinese English movie football related. Okay, you can watch that movie. It's a very beautiful movie. Okay, after that they become friend. Okay, the match started, but the match started, but that girl not come inside because she was waiting long time, almost 2 hours. Okay, that boy waiting for her, but she didn't come. Okay, she thought she did not come. Okay, then he tried to win the match. He deferred the match. He deferred the match because of that girl. That boy who is who is loving that girl is a lot of. Okay, but he was always seeing that girl everywhere, but he didn't find. Okay, after the match completed, he stepped out from the stadium. Okay, he saw that girl. That girl was waiting for that boy outside the stadium. Okay, he asked from that girl, how many times you are waiting here? She told that boy, I was waiting here almost 2 hours. Okay, that boy asked, why did you not come inside? She said, my phone was not working. My ID card also forget at my home. That's why they are not allowing to that's why they are not allowed to come inside. That's why I couldn't come inside. But that boy said, I know you have all excuse. Okay. Don't excuse me. Okay. You are saying lie. But the phone is totally switch off. He tried to give her phone. That boy, you can check my phone. Okay. If I am lying, you can break this phone. You can break this phone. That boy will be angry on that girl. Okay. She broke 2 tickets of cinema movies. Okay. She booked 2 tickets and that tomorrow as a next day. Okay, that boy said that girl, you broke 2 tickets because I am angry. That girl, no, I was take this ticket because of you. I know everything before. You can maybe angry. That's why I broke 2 tickets. Okay, if you have time, if you want join then me, if you have time then you can, if you have time, okay, then tomorrow time is at 10 o'clock, we will go each other, we will show that movie. Okay, that boy agree. Okay, that girl said you will have to come on time. That boy, yes, okay, I will come on time, don't worry. Okay, that girl reached on time. Okay, around time is done, time I don't know remember. That girl reached on time, that the boy is not come on time because of due to heavy traffic. Okay, it's 15 minutes late. That girl said that boy, you are late 15 minutes, the movie has already started. The boy said to that girl, okay, the matter is not movie is started or not. The matter is rest of movie we will see each other. Okay, that boy order as a popcorn for it inside. Boy, while watching the movie, they will eat. Okay, after the movie completed, they were talking about that movie. That movie is a very beautiful. Okay, after that, sometime that girl is also belong to poor family. She was living in a hostel, but also working in a near the stadium. She was selling the water. Okay, one day he left their job. Okay, he got good opportunity near the mall as a Vishal Mega Mart. As a we are called in India Vishal Mega Mart. There are so many malls in India, but they call different. But they have, she got opportunity by the good mall. Okay, as a ticket counter. Okay, but she didn't meet. Okay, after a long time. After that, she joined that mall and she was working very hard work. Okay, after 4 months completed. Okay, the boy went multiple time that girl hostel. Okay, he asked their two girl friends, where is she? See, I am not seeing that girl. Almost 4 months going to happen. So where is she working? Where is she now? The friend told that girl so that she is working right now in the mall. That address this. You can go, you can meet there. But he go. He also joined. He also joined that mall. Working started together each other. Okay, because of love. Okay. The boy is also belong to rich family. He loved that girl a lot of. That's why he joined that work. One day a boy come inside the mall. That boy is a very bad. Okay, that boy is a very rich boy. Okay, that boy purchased lot of things very expensive from the that mall. Okay, when it is time to come payment. Okay, that boy went to the counter that are near that girl. Okay, he done his payment. Okay, but he don't have bag. Okay, he don't have bag for the put the items. Okay, he asked a bag. That girl gave that boy. That girl give that bag. Okay. But that girl asked, sir, you should pay for it. It is not free. But that boy is a very belong to rich family. That person who come inside the park who purchase expensive things. Okay, he is saying that I have already purchased lot of things that are expensive things. Okay, you are asking the money. This is the very small prices. Okay, you are asking money. Where is your manager? Where is your senior? Who hired you? Okay, I will go court. Okay, your company will become consumer court. Okay, he completed. Okay, he tried to threat that girl. Okay, that girl is not threat, but suddenly that her boyfriend come near that. Okay, near there. The boy is that boy was very angry on that customer because he was angry. He don't care about anything because he has everything. Okay, he said that boy, why are you shouting? Why are you shouting? He said, I want only a single guy for put my item, but he is denying that I will not give it. This is not for you. I should pay for it. Okay, that boy also said, yes sir, this is not free, you should pay for it. He was very angry. He shouted, okay, he abused. After that boy, he assaulted her. After that, after that boy, he assaulted him as a slave on face. Okay. After that, he lost his job. Okay, but he was fighting with that person. Okay, he said multiple times that boy you should go from here because of you select him. Okay, you are belong to poor, you are belong to rich family, I am belong to poor family. You don't know, you don't need this job, but I need this job. Okay, don't destroy my job. Okay, because I am belong poor family. That boy said that girl, how much amount you need, how much money you need. That girl said, do you want to buy me? That girl said, do you want, that girl said, that boy, do you want to buy me? He said, no, I am, this is not my intention to buy you. Okay. I am just saying that why are you working here? I have lot of money. I can give you monthly, but you will have to stay with me. Okay, 24 into 7. But he is loving too much that girl. Okay, that girl want to stand their food. Okay. That boy argued with that girl. That boy shared that girl, and then what do you like most? Okay, me and your job. What is good for you? What do you want? Job and me. She directly say I want job. Okay, I need this time my job because I am living in a hostel. I need to pay my rent. I need to pay my college money. They got breakup. Okay, the breakup has completed. They never meet again. But that girl also lost their job after 2 years, and then okay, that girl joined after that a good hotel as a five-star hotel. Okay, that boy went college, football, joined football college, and also before he was the player, he joined there to college again. Okay, but the principal as a senior, he told, why should I again stay you because here because you have already left. I we different last time match only because of you. Okay, we don't need you. Okay, you can go from here. That that boy said that principal, their principal, no sir, sorry sir, I apologize because I was loving a girl. I was waiting that time, so that's why I am not playing properly. That's why we deferred the match last time. That the senior also senior teacher also senior, he can always forget every mistake is student. Okay, that he also forgave this mistake. Okay, he joined that group is completed, that group is eligible to play as a tournament. Okay, but he properly forget everything, not everything, but he properly not, but sometimes some tricks he forget to how to play properly. Okay, after that 2 months almost he practiced a lot of. Okay, everything is recovered, he recovered. Then he went in a hotel for party. That party birthday day. Okay, he ordered lot of things for eat, drink also, alcohol also, as a cigarette, pizza, burger, to cold drink, lot of things with friend. Along with friend, he went in a restaurant. where she was working. Okay, she come with order. She come with order. He shocked. He is working. He is working here. Because he was changed totally. Because if any boy got any hard pen, any pen, so he can't forget it. Okay, fork. If you someone flower, if you give someone flower, he can forget. If you give someone fork, he will cannot forget everything, because fork is a very danger for everyone. Fork means kanta. Okay. So after that, he enjoy a lot of that. He totally fully drunk. He come back their hotel, their roster. He come back their college. The college, after that he started each talking each other among with friend, that she is your girlfriend. Why did you not talk to with her? He told that I know she was my girlfriend the last time before, but right now I am single. I don't need any girlfriend. Okay. She play good football. Okay. She got good opportunity in their life. He's successful. But that girl is not successful. That girl also belong to poor family. But the boy is also belong to rich family. But he was very hardworking. That's why he got opportunity. Okay, he got married with a girl. Okay, girl is different. Okay, that girl is not same girl. Girl is different. Okay. Okay, this story is end. Okay, this is a story. This story is end. Okay, if you like this story is good, or something helped you for you to improve your communication, to improve your sentence, anything, if you help this video, then comment, subscribe. Okay, if you want to practice with me one by one, then you can leave comment. I will respond shortly. Okay, so thank you for clicking this video. Have a nice day, sir.